Hey everyone, welcome to Crazy Experiments. In today's video, I will show you how to create a scrolling text and eye-catching animation effects on a display using the Raspberry Pi Pico. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects. Now let's get started our today's episode. In this tutorial, we are using a Raspberry Pi Pico. This is a compact and powerful microcontroller board. And next one is 4x1 matrix display. It is a bright and LED based display used to visualize the data patterns. And next one is few connecting wires to build our project. Now our setup is ready. Let's begin by uploading the code and then assembling the hardware. First open Arduino IDE software. Now let's fix some settings before we upload the code. Go to the files and select the preference. Paste the package URL provided in the description below. These steps ensures that your IDE recognizes the Raspberry Pi Pico board. Make sure to select the correct board. Go to the tools and select board and select Raspberry Pi Pico module. Next we need to install two essential libraries for our display to work. One is MD Parola, which handles scrolling text animations, and next one is MD Max 72, which manages LED matrix control. I have already installed these required libraries on my computer. Before we move ahead, here's a quick welcome message for us to you. This is our main welcome message. It stores in a variable called main message. Now this is our subscribed member, a short message asking viewers to support the channel. It's stored as a sub message. This part shows tech quotes that motivates or explain your project theme. And finally this highlights the project title or category. Here it is our 4x1 matrix display. After completing the given task for the scrolling test, let's upload the code into the module. Connect your Raspberry Pi Pico to your computer via USB. And select the correct COM port under the Tools port. Click the Upload button to compile and upload the code. Wait for the process to complete. Once the code is uploaded, you will see a Upload Successful message. Now let's begin assembling the components and learn how the matrix display will works. Now let's carefully wire the pins from the Raspberry Pi Pico to the first LED matrix module. Start with the CLK pin or clock. This pin synchronizes the data transmission timing between the ESP and the LED module. Connect the CLK to D5 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Next is the CS pin, short for the chip select. It tells the module when to pay attention to incoming data. Connect CS pin to D8 pin on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now the DIN pin labeled as the data input pin on the module. This is where the Raspberry Pi sends the LED data. Connect DIN pin to D7 pin, that's GPIO 13 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. This pin acts as the data output line from the microcontroller. Finally, ensure proper power connections for stable operation. Connect the VCC pin of the module to the 5V pin on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Even though the Raspberry Pi runs on 5V logic, LED modules typically requires 5V to maintain stable brightness. Finally, wire ground on the module to ground on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Please complete the circuit and ensure a common ground. Finally, our assembly process is complete. Let's start by turning on the module and observing how the text scrolls. As you can see, the text starts scrolling smoothly across the LED matrix display. But don't look away just yet. Once the text completes its cycle, the real magic begins. Amazing animation effects that transforms the display into something truly dynamic. Stay with us to experience these stunning visuals in action. That's all for today's video. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.